Hello guys, it's me, Priscina from the future. I am very excited about this video. This video is, well, I don't want to spoil it right now, but I did want to give a little disclaimer because I do know I used a filter on this because I did not wear makeup and I was a little self-conscious at the time. That's fine. Anyways, you'll see the filter go in and out. Not a huge deal. The main thing is the thing in the box. That's what you should be focusing on and excited about. Also, I will say, for when I picked the box up, I had to go across the border to pick it up. And when I was coming back, the border guard was like, "What's in the box?" And when I told him, he was like, "What?" So that was just another little tidbit I wanted to throw in there. Anyways, enjoy. So I just got a package today and I'm so excited. Just like, you guys, do you even know what this is? Okay, I'll let you guess. Okay, you guys, it's time. I finally got my package. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. This, I don't know if you guys have guessed it already, what it is. Let's see if I can actually get it open. Hang on. Let me do this and then I'll. Okay, we got it. Okay, I'm so excited. So I have two little things here. I think that these are just my invoice. Let me just double check. Yeah, there's that one. Okay, so I got a invoice and then a little care sheet letter of how to care for it. Now it's time to see what's here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see a little baggie here, so we're gonna get this out first. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, I love that. Little bracelet. Okay, so that's a teaser. If you guys don't know what this is already, I mean, obviously you'll probably know because I'm going to put it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Wait. We're switching angles. Actually, no, you can probably still see it from here. All right, we're just going to make a mess. We're just going to do it because we're going to stand it up. Oh my gosh. The drama. The drama. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my god. This is. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's perfect. ever get used to this. It's so pretty.